Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video we are working on a RAV4, Toyota RAV4, and what we're going to do now is remove and install the air conditioner filter. So, open your passenger door, and what you do is right here. Okay, so open your glove box and you'll have a little, alright, slide off the damper right here. As you can see, no, it wiggles a little bit, see that? So, I want to slide that off, just like so. Now, the next thing you want to do is, okay, the next thing you want to do is push in the claws like this. There, and then you can remove the whole thing, just like so. Okay, and then under here, you will find a filter. Look around for it, and you'll see it says up right here, and there'll be little tabs to push in. See? Hey. There we go. That's the cover. All I did was I popped that off, just like so. Make sure it's up, and then pull the filter out and take a wonderful gander at it. So look at the filter. Make sure when you put it back in, you put it back in where it says up. This filter is fairly clean. Okay, after you cleaned off the air conditioner filter, let me get a good shot here. There it is, air conditioner filter. Alright, after you clean that off, then make sure it says up when you're putting it back in. The camera. Put a new filter in. Put the old one back in because it's new. It says up. See where it says up? Up. Alright, now it's time to put this back on. The cover. Slide it in the hole. Okay, when you put this back on, make sure the indentation's right there. Go right there and right there. So you're gonna want to snap it. Get in there, snap it in there, and then put the claw back in. Put that claw back in, and then put the other claw back in, and then do this right here. There. Now it'll close. Alright, this has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great day.